Hello and welcome to the WebEx video sessions. This is the third video, and on this video I'm going to show you how to start a scheduled meeting. At this point I'm assuming that you already went through the first video, which is about integrating your Cisco WebEx one-click application with your Lotus Notes client, and of course the second video where I show you how to book a WebEx meeting by using the new buttons on the calendar. So let's start a scheduled meeting. There are basically two ways to start a scheduled meeting. You can either use your email client, in this case your Lotus Notes client, or if you wish you can use your WebEx one-click application. So normally the easiest way is by using the Lotus Notes client because you have control of the meetings and you can actually access all the information about that meeting. So as you can see on the meeting description, I do have my WebEx link here, and of course all the voice conferencing information here. So since I'm a moderator, I'm controlling the meeting, I do have a start button available here. So I'm going to click it to start my meeting. When I click this button, it's going to send me to my WebEx profile page. This page will request me some information depending if I'm a participant or not. In this case, since I'm not a participant, I can actually start my meeting by clicking on the Start Your Meeting link. If I'm a participant, I wouldn't have to put my name here and my email address, but this is not the case. So I'm going to click on Start Your Meeting. Now, this is the disadvantage of using this process because since I'm using the WebEx platform without any knowledge of my credentials, it's going to request my credentials, of course. And the username and password that is requesting is not your Lotus Notes username or password and not your Windows password as well. The information is requesting is basically this. The orange welcome email, your old client ID and password. So you'll have to type in your client ID here and of course your password. If you click or if you select keep me logged in, it will have an interesting behavior because the page will keep this information, so the next time you use this process it won't request your credentials again. So after all of this you can click login, and once he's logged in on your WebEx portal, he's going to send you directly to your WebEx meeting room. This might take a few seconds. Et voila, this is the meeting room. I can start sharing my desktop, I can invite other people, and of course I have available all the information that I need for the voice conference. So in order to show you the second option, the second way to start a meeting, I'm going to close this meeting. And meeting. You can close your web pages if you wish. Okay, as I stated, the second way is by using your Cisco WebEx one-click software. And of course, you can click on the Start Scheduled Meeting here, or if you wish, you can right-click on your WebEx icon on your taskbar and you can select Start a Scheduled Meeting. It's basically the same process, it's just a question of shortcut. So once you click it, it's going to show you a list of all the meetings that you're planning for today. So all you have to do is select a meeting, click start, and since you're using your application and your application knows your identity because of all your credentials and your passwords that you did on the first video, it will send you directly to the WebEx meeting room. Again, this might take a few seconds. And here we are. At this point, I'm ready to start my meeting and to share my applications and, of course, to invite people if I wish. So to end this video, I would like also to show you how to start an instant meeting. So basically an instant meeting is a non-scheduled meeting. So this means that I didn't plan for this meeting. There's nothing scheduled on my Lotus Notes. I'm just, for example, chatting with someone with my same time. So let's say I'm gonna start chatting with my colleague, Gael. At a given time, I'm gonna start, or at least I will start sharing something because I need to share an Excel file or a PowerPoint. So as you can see, I have this WebEx icon available here, which I can click. And once I click it, I will be sent again to the WebEx meeting room, which will be an instant meeting room. And on the other side, Gael, on his same time, is going to receive the link for this meeting. And again, I'm on my meeting room. Last point, there are a couple of integrations done also on your Office applications. So for example, if you open a Microsoft PowerPoint, let's say, you will find two integrations here. A WebEx integration, which will basically show you the same menu that the application shows you, and of course, a share this file button. If you click on share this file button, you will enter a meeting just like this one, and you'll be automatically sharing your PowerPoint file to the person on the meeting or to the participants that are present. So basically that's it. Please don't forget to check the fourth and last video where I'm going to show you how to use this platform, this WebEx meeting room. It's kind of important because it will allow you to plan and to do whatever you need to do on a meeting, including the desktop sharing and including, of course, the change role management between a moderator and a participant, etc. So please go through this video and thank you very much.